Thursday evening, I received my media console, and being the impatient person that I am, I decided to go ahead and try to assemble it. I was going to do a tutorial, but I decided to just go ahead and just try and put this thing together because some of the reviews that I read said pieces were missing, some parts was cracked, blah blah blah. So I decided to just lay it out and inspect every piece, and there was no damage anywhere. The instructions the instructions were fairly easy for me. Some people complained that it was difficult. The instructions didn't make any sense, but I figured it out. So I'll just show you segments of me putting it together, but I just did not feel like doing a tutorial. I just wanted to get it done. Laying here on my sofa, I am so tired and my body hurts so bad. Oh my God! I put my TV media console together last night, and I'm feeling the effects of it. Let me show you. There it is. Now I took the shelf down from here, which I'm patching up the holes, and I'm gonna do something a little bit different here. I need to move that too, because I'm not sure what I want to do. I have a mess over there. Those wicker baskets over there, I've considered putting them across the top here, so I can kind of blend a little bit with that. The legs are black on the media console. This kind of matches this. I don't know what route I'm going yet. I'm just playing around with it, but like I said, I patched the holes up. I have to sand them. And yeah, so that is let me sit up, media console and the two cabinets of storage on the side. And of course I use the wicker baskets down there as additional storage. I need to hide these wires underneath the cabinet. I'm going to have to pull it up so it won't be seen underneath there, especially when I'm sitting here on the couch. It bothers me, or laying on the couch. My front door, I'm really contemplating or thinking about painting it black matte. I had a black matte door in my other house, and even though I added molding trim around this door and I put the black hinges and door handles on, I still want a black door. My intentions today is to, get some light in here, is to take this and move it into the center of the room, put my TV in it, take the clothes out of it, put them somewhere else, some in the closet, some over in the other room. Take all this down, get rid of this, and just house the TV in here originally. When I first bought it years ago, that's where the TV was. And I think this is a 43-inch TV. It should fit inside. I was going to add the shelves in there, but then I realized that entertainment center would fit in there as well. So I put that in there and put the TV on top of it, as you can see here. This is where I left off for now. The baskets are temporary. I'm just trying to work it out, organize it. I set a bunch of baskets up there. There's nothing in it. I'm going to eventually rework that too, because I know me. This ain't gonna stay like that. And once I get all my little things organized, get the baskets up, put stuff in them, I can store some stuff inside this cabinet. So this is what it is right now. I ended up moving a lot of the items from the opposite wall and the shelf over the TV to back to this wall. So I don't know, just excuse the mess because I'm still working on it. Okay. I've been laying out on the couch. My body's tired.